Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Peacock Way. Thank you for joining me. In today's project, I'm using these three acrylic paints and I'm going to put it in my like a small plastic, the recycle one, and I'm spreading it out using a knife. And then I'm going to add all those colors on the palette. And I'm going to use these stamps. I'm going to put it on my acrylic block and I'm going to stamp it. I'm using half one color and the other color half. It's kind of like a geometric stamp. Now I'm using another stamp. I'm doing the same thing, like using half one color and the half other color. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button and turn the notification on. Now I'm using the third color. I'm spreading it off using the knife, and I'm using different stamp, and then I'm going to put it on the same watercolor paper. Now I'm going to heat everything and dry it. Then I'm using like a round stamp. When you're using acrylic paint on the stamp, just make sure that you clean it very nicely, because if it dries up, then it becomes harder to stamp again. So I'm using different kinds of stamps and using the same color. Now I'm going to dry everything again and go for the next step. Now I'm using the knife and spreading it out a little bit. Now I'm going to dry everything again. I'm using this acrylic paint heavy body. Then I'm going to spread it out using knife, and then I'm going to stamp it. Now I'm going to dry everything again. I'm using now acrylic, uh, now archival ink, and then I'm using different stamp. It's like a grungy stamp. Now I'm using another grungy stamp, and I'm using archival ink. If you have a different grungy stamp, you can still use whatever you have, the grungy stamp. Now I'm using like a dotted stamp. Now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm going to use some black paint, and I'm going to uh, just put it randomly to make it look more grungy. Then I'm going to dry everything. Now I'm using these ephemera. As a focal point, and I'm going to stick that on the watercolor paper on the project. I'm using this gold stickles. I'm going to put those things to give a little bit shine. Now I'm going to use a pen and draw a little bit on the butterfly. So I'm going to now stick the coat. Then I'm going to finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. So please don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button and leave your comments. I will see you in my next project. Thanks. Bye.